Good morning, Antoinette. Shannon Coward here at Tameron Hyundai in the heart of Hoover, Alabama. You inquired about the Genesis G80. This is a beautiful, extraordinary automobile. You didn't specify trim package. Hey, no worries. We've got several different ones with different amenities to choose from. There's a lot that goes into this, but the best thing about it is it's got its own service contract, 3-year contract that comes with it. We'll even come get your car, bring it back, and drop you off a vehicle for you to drive around in your time. But I want to tell you the most important thing about the G80. That is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. The number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250, or you may reach me on my personal cell at 205-907-4700. Give me a call so I can go into much more detail and set up a time that I'm readily available just for you. Again, Shannon Coward.